Your CV is your first impression. Let's make sure it opens doors, not closes. In this presentation, we'll explore the top 5 CV mistakes and how to fix them, ensuring your resume stands out to recruiters. Mistake number 1 is using one generic CV for every job. Recruiters can spot a copy-paste resume instantly. The fix? Tailor your resume for each role, highlighting skills and achievements that match the job description. Mistake number 2 involves filling your resume with buzzwords. Words like team player or results-oriented are overused. Instead, replace vague statements with measurable results to truly showcase your capabilities. Mistake number 3 is having a weak or missing summary section. Your summary is the elevator pitch of your career. Write a concise 2 to 3 sentence overview focusing on value, skills, and results to capture attention. Mistake number 4 is poor formatting and layout. A cluttered layout or inconsistent fonts make your resume hard to read. Use clear structure, consistent spacing, and clean fonts to ensure readability and professionalism. Mistake number 5 is ignoring keywords. Applicant tracking systems, ATS, filter resumes before recruiters even see them. Mirror the exact phrasing of key skills from the job description to pass through these systems effectively. Ready to elevate your resume? Avoid these mistakes, apply these fixes, and you'll stand out for the right reasons. Follow #CareerCapital for CV and resume tips, skill spotlights, industry insights, and career advice.